Let's give a round of applause for our Mutya ng Nanay 2025, Miss Jeline Diaz. So again, may pagka-close pa kita subong nga 2A. For this year's Mutya ng Nanay 2026, the award will be given by Miss Mary Jane Marcaliero, also by Barangay Captain Arias, will receive a bouquet of flowers, sash, cash, and there will be additional prizes for the second, first, and for the queen tonight. Our Mutya ng Nanay 2026 garnered a total of 93.90%. Alright, so again, the first runner-up got 93.20%, and our Mutya ng Nanay this year garnered 3.90%. Our Mutya ng Nanay is no other than contestant number 2! Congratulations, Miss Annie Dema!